Before I do this, I wanna just show everybody like what I got going on here. Like right here on the TV. I don't know if you can see it or not. It don't look like it. But that's where my beats are stored on that PlayStation. And I got this cord right here. And this cord is hooked up to this TV, because this TV is the only thing I got bass hooked up to. And then you just go and it comes right out of there. Kinda neat. Just finish this one. Pop a blunt, look into space and break it down. Look into space and break it down. Little subatomic particles floating around. Light bounces off the star, passes through dark matter. Future images projected the past to make it happen. So I'm rapping just a DNA pattern, a complex compounded chemicals with a microphone gap in each moment of a moment, divided by the words spoken. Infinite possibilities to where my mind's going. I keep it open like the universe, sinking in the furniture. My warp throw the peace sign passing Jupiter, dancing with the stars. Light bends past my gravity. I'm not up there, I'm right here. Please don't be mad at me. I cease to stop at one from beginning to the end as I ignore the fourth dimension, cause the tragedies within. Explore your inner method, it's your time to spend. Be as real as you are, the number zero is pretend. Stardust, now we just stardust. 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 Stardust, 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 now we just stardust. Stardust, 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 pop a blunt, look into space and break it down. Come to think about them, just a thought that's walking around. Protons, electrons, neutrons create atoms. We're an add mixture of six, but I don't know how it happened. What's the catalyst in this? Persistence to exist, subconsciousness insists. The chakras are a tip, untapped human potential, wrapped up in the mental, trapped in the schedule. The lapse of the soul, gain control. You are what you repeatedly do. The purpose is worthless if it wasn't for you. Plant the seed of insanity and watch it renew. Conceitedly continue on the path of me too. Don't forget to remember how what we actually are. Collected energy that has been falling from the stars. Not saying it's not God, but I'm looking for answers. If you're spinning with me, then let me see your hands up. Stardust, now we just stardust. Stardust, now we just stardust. Now we just stardust. Now we just stardust. Stardust, now we just stardust. Now we just stardust. Stardust, 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 pop a blunt, look into space and break it down. Drown in the thought of our feet leaving the ground. I'm flying through the heavens, nebulous. Solace in the solar surrendered and splendidness, floating forever endless. Bound to the unknown, a sight that can't be held, but look and behold. Write stories in the stars so the future can be told. Stare so far away to see into one soul. I fold in other colors. Tonight is a slumber, the universe, my mother, your starlights and my crumbles. I slumber and rise, the sunshine another day. The way you say hello sometimes takes my breath away. I don't know what this is or who it is to blame. At the moment to be, I would freeze, so it never changed. I hit the weed, dreaming, looking out of space. I feel I belong, but I know I'm out of place. Stardust, are we just stardust? Stardust, now we just stardust. Now we just stardust. Stardust, stardust, now we just stardust. Now we